Welcome to a short tutorial on how to document the radiation dose and material used in iQ-WORKFLOW. As radiographer, I want to document the radiation dose and material, such as contrast agent, I use to keep track of important information. For doing this task, I will go to Workflow tab. Click Search option, Manual. Choose the task type. Select Status Pending. Open a pending task from a patient by double-clicking. Go to Notes tab and press +New button. Select Type, Dose Documentation, and enter value in message box. Press Save button. A new row for the type dose documentation has been created. Click the I icon in the respective row. The note type and message is correctly displayed. Go to Procedures tab. Select respective procedure. Enter the value in the Contrast Agent Dose Customized field. Press Save. Select the next status and press blue Save button. Go to Patients tab. Search for the patient and open the patient file using the folder icon. Go to the Order tab. Click the I icon on the row of the previously used order. The Order Details preview opens. Go to Procedures tab. The value is displayed in the Contrast Agent Dose column. Thank you for your attention.